and we can work back into it, pulling areas out, okay, and then we can cut out our letters in this paper, okay, obviously backwards because remember it goes, yeah, okay, just print club, sort of print out of this here and club out of this from here, okay. We can do it in quite a fluid way, it doesn't have to be precise, you know, just in a very nice way, okay. So I guess the first thing we need to do is to cut out our letters, okay. So print club, P-R-I-N-T. I think we just go for it. Let's trust ourselves here. It's the first rule of print club, isn't it? To trust ourselves. So P-R-I-N-T-C-L-U-B. So we get 5 letters out of this here. And 4 out of that there. Okay. So what we can do is write them or cut them the right way around, and then we can ink them up. Exactly. Okay. So Izzy and Beth, do you want to work on print?
Yeah.
Okay. And Jeb and me, you can work on club. Is that all right? So let's.
Should we cut that page in half and then
You can do that.
just
Okay.
pass it
So for the first part of this, however, maybe we'll just put out some ink and we'll just ink up so that we have that done.
Yeah.
Okay. So working with oil-based inks, no, water-based inks, water-based inks, but they're very easy to clean up with. Okay. So the first thing we do is wear gloves. Okay, because we are quite messy. Okay. Maybe you can watch me do the demo first for the purpose of this, okay? So, as I would have told you, that you never sort of gouge your ink, okay? You pull it out from the top, okay? Even though it's a bit like that now, okay? So we pull out our ink, okay? Always with these, it's very important to loosen them, okay? These inks are always quite tight. And they need to be because they need to have the viscosity for printmaking, okay? So Jevin, I might move that over a wee bit and put the inks here, okay? So, like I say, you pull out the ink and make sure it's nice and sort of flexible, almost the consistency of butter actually, so it has to be nice and loose, okay? Put our knife there, okay? Now, it's really important when you have your sort of well of ink out here, okay, that you don't just dip into it and just roll that out, okay? You're actually pulling from it, okay? So you pull a little bit out from it, okay? Lift it and pull it out closer to yourself, okay? Because what will happen is if you just pull from that, you have too much ink out, okay? This way, you're being very control over that, control over the knife. Okay, you get that lovely sort of tacky sound, okay? That's really indicative of the amount of ink you have out, okay? A high tack sound means it's quite a bit of ink. If you've got a low kind of tack sound, it means that you have kind of a very nice thin layer of ink, okay? Always sit your roller on its feet, okay? Never sit it down like this when you get things, okay? So I can look at you just to give me some of that newsprint. Just this here, actually. I just got to, yeah. So what I'm going to do is just put this underneath, okay, so that we can have it. Let's try it the other way around. Just to keep our edges clean. Actually, is there another one there, Beth? Let's just take it. Jevin? Yeah. So, have that kind of nice tacky sound, okay? And it's important that the ink is even across.